this is Jody. Thank you for watching my channel and my videos. So we are doing a book review. I always do a book review and go over the entire book and try to just help people try to find maybe content that they're looking for their crafts or their junk journals or whatnot. And I know it's hard to see what the inside of a book looks like, so the only way you know is watching other people. So I thought I would start this series and do this. Okay, so this is Stories That Never Grow Old, edited by Watty Piper, a Platt and Munk classic. This is an old book, I think. So let's take a measurement. It's about 10 1/4 by 12 1/4. It's a pretty big book. Here is the spine, if you see it on the shelf. Stories That Never Grow Old. Deluxe edition. It's not in that condition anymore. Here's the back. Oh, and then we have copyright right there. So let me get my little chart out. L 50, X, and 1 is 9. So 1959. This shows the copyright down here. So I did the measuring. Okay. So let's take a look. Let's see if I can get a little bit more in here. Okay. So this is very thick paper. Best Loved Stories Retold by Watty Piper. I would definitely fussy cut this out and cut these words out. But the illustrations in here are just wonderful. And I believe these are all signatures, so this book can be taken apart and use the entire page. These are pretty large though, if you're making a large journal, but definitely, oh, that was funny. Love this big writing. It's really fun to use. Yeah, just a very interesting children's book, I thought. I go to a thrift store that you can fill a bag of books for $3. So it's like, you know, if I don't have it full, I just throw in some extra ones that even I think I might use, you know. Or maybe I'll just put it in my Etsy store or something and you know, pass it along to somebody else too. So this is what the inside of this one looks like. Yeah. Oh, that's cute. Lots of different content. Trains, there's clowns, animals, nursery, you know, type rhyme. Oh, look at that. Beautiful end papers. All right. Stories That Never Grow Old. I would love to use this cover as a journal or glue book too, so this looks really fun to use. All right, so there you go. Thanks. Bye-bye.